Peace. Just another quick transmission. I wanted to speak on nature and what it is exactly, or my interpretation of nature. Nature is raw, untamed consciousness, energy, a presence that pervades every space. Your subconscious mind, pure, forever trying to reconnect to the mind, to rectify the illusions that leech or attaches itself to consciousness. You hunger for it. It is your peace of mind. Your sanctuary. Pure, enlightened consciousness. All frequencies exist in nature. You couldn't live without it. It energizes your vehicle. When you have the time to emerge yourself in the frequencies of nature. Regain correct perception and cease connection with this parasitic infliction. That has been accepted as existence by the chosen ones. Your soul disapproves of it. Its current state. Seek true understanding. Go into nature. Gain some insights, awareness, enlightenment. Till next time, family. Peace.